Attaching this face shield to its partner, the 6x3 safety goggles, is simple. First, line up the fasteners on the shields with the corresponding openings on either side of the goggles. You may need to use a little bit of force to get them into place. Next, slot the nose of the goggles under the shield's nose piece and snap it together. You'll know it's in place when you hear a distinct snap. Finally, slot the shield's fasteners up into the glasses until each one is snug. It's best if you do this one at a time. To get the right fit, adjust the strap. The goggles should feel tight enough against your face. Now, let's end things with a pro tip. For a little extra airflow, adjust the vent down or up. Now your shields is good to go.